In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP 8700 printer that is having a clogged printhead. In case your printer is not printing some of the colors or if it's printing the blank pages, you can use this method to clean the printhead. This is the printer's inbuilt feature. We are going to use the power cleaning. For that we have to go to the printer display panel, scroll ahead and click on the maintenance. You will see the option that is printhead cleaning, and then you will see the power cleaning. Now printhead cleaning is the first option. We should be using that. In case you have done it and the printheads are not printing normal, then you go for the power cleaning. Click on the start. Power cleaning always uses more ink than the automatic printhead cleaning. This is going to take around 4 minutes. Once your printer finishes the printhead cleaning, it will print nozzle check sheet, and you just have to check if all the colors are showing up properly or not. If everything is okay, that means your printhead is cleaned, it is not clogged now, and we can start using it. For example, I'm just going to do a copy. So let's do the copy and see the print result. So print result is here. You can clearly see it has started to print. This way we can unclog the printhead of this printer and we can resume our printing. Thanks for watching.